Imagine coming home after a long day to floors that are completely clean without lifting a finger, knowing pet hair, dust, and allergens have already been taken care of. That sense of effortless cleanliness is what makes the Shark AI robot vacuum with XL HEPA self-empty base a standout in home cleaning technology. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we take a careful, informed look at products worth your investment. Today, we're exploring the Shark AI robot vacuum with XL HEPA self-empty base. This is a premium, bagless robot vacuum designed for busy households, pet owners, and anyone seeking a smarter, hands-free approach to keeping floors immaculate. If you've ever struggled with constant sweeping, vacuuming, or managing pet hair and allergens, this product is highly relevant. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment for easy access. Reason number 1. Incredible suction. The Shark AI robot vacuum delivers powerful suction capable of handling dirt, crumbs, and debris across all floor types, from thick carpet to hardwood and tile. Its multi-stage cleaning system ensures deep cleaning without repeatedly going over the same areas, saving time and effort. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, this level of suction makes it a reliable choice for homes with pets or high-foot traffic. Reason number 2, no spots missed. Equipped with Matrix Clean navigation, the vacuum moves in a precise matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris to guarantee complete coverage. This systematic approach reduces the likelihood of missed areas and provides a uniform clean throughout your home. For households with irregular layouts or multiple rooms, this ensures that every corner receives consistent attention. Reason number 3, self-emptying convenience. The included XL HEPA self-empty base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, so you rarely need to think about maintenance. Combined with true HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns, it minimizes exposure to irritants while keeping the vacuum running efficiently. This hands-off approach simplifies ownership and reduces the regular chore of emptying a dustbin manually. Reason number 4. Precision home mapping. The Shark AI uses 360-degree LiDAR navigation to create a detailed map of your home. It detects furniture, walls, and obstacles in real time, adapting to changes in your environment. This precision allows the robot to clean methodically, even in complex spaces or in low-light conditions, ensuring efficient coverage while avoiding collisions or entanglement with cords. Reason number 5. Ideal for pet owners. With a self-cleaning brush roll and high-powered suction, this vacuum excels at removing pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Paired with its HEPA filtration, it captures dander, dust, and other allergens, helping to maintain a healthier living environment for both you and your pets. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, it is particularly beneficial for homes with multiple animals or shedding breeds. Reason number 6, hands-free control. The Shark AI robot vacuum supports voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as scheduling and on-demand cleaning via the companion app. You can initiate a clean, set zones, or adjust settings without touching the robot itself. This level of control allows you to integrate cleaning into your daily routine effortlessly, providing convenience and peace of mind. Reason number 7, extended runtime and reliability. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, the vacuum can handle larger spaces on a single charge. The recharge and resume function ensures that if the battery runs low, the robot returns to its dock, recharges, and picks up where it left off. Built and rigorously tested by Shark, it delivers consistent, high-quality performance for ongoing, reliable cleaning in your home. Final verdict. The Shark AI robot vacuum with XL HEPA self-empty base is a premium, thoughtfully engineered solution for modern households. While it is a higher-end device and maybe more than what very small apartments require, it is ideal for large homes, multi-floor residences, or households with pets and allergy concerns. Trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers, it stands out for its combination of intelligent navigation, powerful suction, and hands-free convenience. For anyone seeking to simplify floor care and maintain a consistently clean environment, this vacuum offers long-term value and peace of mind. If you appreciate effortless cleaning, thorough coverage, and reliable performance, The Shark AI robot vacuum with XL HEPA self-empty base is worth exploring. The purchase link is in the description and pinned comment. Take the time to make a considered, confident decision for your home.